In an industry built on illusions, the loudest traders have the quietest track records. They sell the dream. I publish the receipts. I don't need you to trust me. I need you to verify me. The trading industry has become disgusting. It's dirty, it's messy, and it's full of scammers and frauds that we see jump from new niche to new niche without being in the industry long enough to even know what it's about. I've been in this industry for 9 years. And what I've found is it gets every single layer you go down into it. The old traders leave, the new traders come, and it's a perpetual cycle. We need to uphold these gurus and trading teachers to higher levels. If they're not getting the results that you want, that they can verify their results, you should not be considering learning from them at all. That's just very basic. They sell the dream and I publish the receipts. Unmasking the deception. Why 95% of trading courses are lying to you. Many trading education programs prey on aspirational traders selling fantasy and quick riches without providing the foundational knowledge and realistic strategies needed for success. Here's why most fall short. Unrealistic expectations, promising overnight riches and guaranteed profits with minimal effort and risk exposure. Unrealistic expectations in such a small time frame while manual trading is one of the most difficult things you could ever do. Neglecting risk management, ignoring drawdown, ignoring or downplaying the crucial role of capital preservation, leading to rapid account depletion. If these traders are often saying that you should risk 2%, 3% of your account, 5% of your accounts, if you're not focusing first on capital preservation, you will not last in this game. 1% is the maximum trading risk you should have per trade. And I stand by that because it takes, at 1% risk per trade, you should never ever blow an account. It's mathematically impossible to blow your account. They have complex, obscure strategies teaching convoluted methods that are impractical, untestable, and difficult to apply to real markets. A lot of them have like, oh, you need discretion. If you need discretion or really strong psychology to trade as trading strategy, then you can see how their business model plays into that. They teach you a methodology of trading that only they can perform because they have those years of trading experience. If you can't replicate exactly how they trade and they blame it and tell you, oh, it's because your psychology isn't strong enough or it's because you don't have the correct discretion, how can I teach you my discretion? You cannot teach discretion. So that's why we don't teach it. How can you teach psychology? You can talk about it all day. I can't teach you just psychology. We touch on psychology to let you know what it is. We don't teach psychology because with algorithms, we don't need psychology. Psychology and discretion is a cop-out for a system that isn't replicatable for you to be able to become profitable from it. I said it, I'm sorry, but really let those words sink in. Outdated or generic content. Everyone is trading the exact same methodologies. Breaker structures, inverse fair value gaps, all ICT watered down garbage. Does some of it work? I'm sure it does. But if everyone has the same edge, no one has an edge. We know how markets work. Alpha decay is real. If everyone has the same edge, then no one has an edge. Let that sink in. So there's two types of educators out there. What you usually see will be profit loss screenshots. They just have only their wins. Oh, this is how much I made this week. This is how much I made this month. And it's always in dollar terms. When you talk to a professional trader, they don't care about this. We don't talk that way. When I talk to other quant traders, we don't go, oh, I made $400 today. I made $10,000 today. I made $20,000 this week. We all talk in percentages because we don't give a shit about the dollar value, right? If I came up to a professional trader and said, I made $10,000 today, they don't care. What percentage is that? $10,000 on a 100K account is 10%. $10,000 on a $1 million account is 1%. There's no context. It's to lower in low vibrational traders. We aren't low vibrational traders here. Majority of the high net worth traders that I talk to and investors, they're not marketing rented lifestyles because they love trading and investing. So where does their money mainly go? To those top values, trading and investing in business. A lot of them don't have these flashy products, these flashy items. They don't care for it. As Uncle Tate has once said, as I've heard many rich people say, if you can buy a Lamborghini every single hour with how much money you make, that Lamborghini then no longer has value because you can get so many of them all the time. Who cares about it? You know what I mean? Very wealthy people don't go to other wealthy people and go, oh, you have a Lamborghini. They don't care. No third-party verification, no drawdown history, and cherry-picked results. They always show their best months, never their worst months. They never tell you what their max drawdown is. They never tell you what their strike rate is, or if they do tell you what strike rate, it's something like 75%, or a video I posted recently, 90% strike rate. milking the markets, put your PT wherever you want, honestly. This kind of language it sucks in the very basic traders that think they can make instant money overnight. We're not doing that here. I have no interest in teaching those kind of clients. We're going to get rich overnight. Trading will not work that way. If you're trying to look for an overnight success, let me know when you find it and I'll come do it with you, because it doesn't exist. Think about it logically. If it was that easy, everyone would do it, right? What we show and what you should demand of any trading influencer that you're trying to learn from, third-party verification track record is the bare minimum. Do they do what they say they do? Do they do it at a professional level? Do they do it at a level that you would like to learn that same way yourself? Are they the results that you want to get in the future? Full drawdown transparency, live portfolio anyone can audit, proven systems with results, real-time results. You can do that with me and NGA and Nexus Capital. Let's do it together right now. This is my portfolio on Darwin. I'm going to leave the link down below. You can click it, check it out for yourself. We are currently managing close to 300,000 euros. We have a maximum drawdown of 10%. Our returns are 42%. This is VAR. I'll show you the actual real returns. This is our returns compared to the S&P 500. S&P 500 is 5.21%. We are currently at 42%. We have a winning days of 62%, winning weeks, nearly 80% winning weeks. You can check this out for yourself. When we actually look at the underlying strategy, because it adjusts for the risk, this is still the same portfolio. This is the underlying Darwin of WJR. I've returned 402%. Here's the month-on-month returns. 61% in Darwin in December, 48% in January, 14% in February, right? This is a handful of systems that we built in the first half of 2025. This is a secondary account that I have. So these are both my accounts, WJR and ZEXZ. ZEXZ is ranking 40th out of nearly 10,000 traders on Darwin. A return 20% since inception, 5% drawdown, fantastic results, 24% in the last 6 months. This portfolio itself is managing 60,000 euros. We'll increase that a lot over the next 30 days. Our previous portfolio is about to get moved from Darwin Silver to Darwin Gold. These are our month-on-month returns. The first half of the year is for the systems for the previous portfolio. These are systems tested from June, July, and August and deployed in September, and then carrying on from that date forward. You can test this out. I'm going to leave both of these links down below. You can fully audit our trading accounts. This is what a real trader does. I'm not hiding anything. I show you the results. If you don't want to learn how to trade, you can literally invest in me. Invest and make profits whenever I trade. If you like my results and you like my account, you can invest in it. That's why I love this platform. It's verified. Also, they have real-time auditing. So if I have a bad day, week, or month, you will be able to check that during the week and the results will change. They'll fluctuate. Real time, you can audit our accounts. That's what you should demand of any teacher before you learn from them. Auditable live results. Darwin, WJR. Our other verified Darwin is ZEXZ. FX Blue stats. Check out some of our other videos where I've gone over FX Blue results. We did 180% from year 2024 to 2025, and now we're on Darwin from 2025 to 2026. Check us out on Darwin. The methodology in which we teach people on how to build algorithms is a repeatable process that anyone can do and anyone can become profitable, right? We have a 6-step system method, which is strategy idea, S, yield logic, which is Y, stress testing, which is our back test, threshold checking, which is our monkey test, evaluation, so our forward testing, and then our master deployment. That is our 6-step system method. I'll let you know how to get the PDF to this. You can download it and see how we actually build systems. This is a repeatable process that I used in my FX Blue from 2025 to 2026. It's the exact same methodology that I used to become profitable with algo trading in the first place. It's the same method I used in the second portfolio. It's also the same method that I've given to several traders now to get them also ranked and funded on Darwin. I took someone with 0 trading experience and within 6 months, he was getting funded on Darwin. This is a repeatable process and it's all automated trading algorithms. We have a process on building, testing, evaluating, and then structuring that in a portfolio so that we have robust systems that return profitable returns nearly every single month. I've had one down month in 2 portfolios in the 12, 24 months. Crazy results. Now, this is a part 1 video. I want to make this a 5-part series. If you want to download the system method, the cheat sheet, I'm going to leave a link for it below, or you can go to nextgenalpha.com/optin-824419. I'll leave the link down below. It's much more quicker and easier. You can download it and analyze how we build algorithms. Over the next videos, I'm going to show you how you can find a strategy in 10 minutes, build, backtest, and deploy, reading verified results like a pro, and your first live algorithm, step-by-step guides. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see us building in the future. What algorithms do you want us to show you how we develop them? I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.